People always say that money can buy everything. Happiness, love, respect, the whole package. But let me tell you my truth, because I actually lived through it, and it completely changed the way I see life. I was that girl who thought money was the key to everything. I grew up in a small house in Mumbai, where every train ride felt like a reminder of how broke we were. I used to see people driving big cars outside the train window, and I'd whisper to myself, "One day I'll have it all. And when I do, everyone will respect me." So I worked like crazy. I skipped parties, ignored friends, even forgot what laughter felt like. All I knew was work, work, and more work. And you know what? One day, I actually made it. I got a big job overseas, moved into a luxury apartment, bought fancy shoes, perfumes, even a car that I never dreamed I'd sit in. I thought, finally, this is happiness. But when I flew back home to see my parents, something strange happened. They hugged me so tight. Their eyes were full of tears, but mine were dry. I had expensive gifts in my hands, but no warmth in my heart. And that night, sitting in my old room, I whispered to myself, "Love is free." And somehow I sold it too cheap. And you'd think I learned my lesson, right? But no. Life had another story waiting for me. When I got married in Dhaka, everyone told me, "Choose the rich guy. You'll never have to struggle again." So I did. My wedding was perfect, gold jewelry everywhere, a fancy banquet hall, cameras flashing, people calling me lucky. For a while, I believed them. But after the lights went out, I realized something was missing. My husband was always busy, barely home. And when he was home, he was cold and sometimes even cruel. One evening, while driving through my old neighborhood, I saw Rafiq, a simple man who once proposed to me. He had no car, no fancy clothes, but he was surrounded by laughing children, sharing snacks, smiling like life was pure joy. And that moment, I felt the truth hit me. I had gold on my wrists, but emptiness in my heart. Money had bought my wedding, but not my happiness. And then came the biggest slap from life. When I moved to the US with my husband, we had everything a family dreams of: a house in Chicago suburbs, 2 cars, vacations, shopping bags everywhere. But inside that beautiful house, I was the loneliest woman alive. My kids would beg, "Mama, can you play with us?" And I would say, "Maybe tomorrow, sweetheart. Mama is busy making life better for you." Years flew by. My babies grew into teenagers. And one day I surprised them with a brand new car. I was so proud, waiting for their smiles. But you know what my son said? He looked at me and whispered, "We never asked for a car, Mama, we just wanted you." That one line shattered me into pieces. That night, I sat alone in the kitchen and realized money had bought me everything, except memories with my children. 3 times, 3 lessons, in 3 different stages of my life. Money gave me things, but stole my emotions. It gave me comfort, but snatched away my peace. And you know what I've learned? Money can build houses, but not homes. It can buy jewelry, but not love. It can give you cars, but not memories. And sometimes a simple hug, a smile, or a cup of tea with your family means more than all the diamonds in the world. So today, I'm not here to tell you to stop chasing success. No, chase it, work hard, build a future. But don't ever sell the things that money can't buy. Because trust me, the best things in life are free. If my story touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, what's the one thing in your life that money will never be able to buy? Your story might inspire someone else today.